Good afternoon, everybody. There are some people that wanted me to do a YouTube channel with cooking. So today I'm going to demonstrate how to make risotto. Now, key ingredients for risotto. You need 4 cups of chicken broth cooked. You need a third, I'm going to make lemon risotto, so it's going to be a third of a cup of lemon juice. Shallots finely chopped. Extra virgin olive oil, and there's going to be risotto, of course, so it's 1/4 cup diced shallots, 3 tablespoons of EVOO, a cup of arborio rice, 1/2 cup of dry white cooking wine, 4 cups of chicken stock heated, 4 tablespoons of butter, and 3 tablespoons of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese grated, 1/3 cup of lemon juice. And here goes nothing. So for the sofrito, you take the finely chopped shallots with 3 tablespoons of EVOO and 2 tablespoons of diced butter, and you cook them for 2 to 3 minutes. Put the timer on the stove, this way you see how long you're going to do it. I'm using a cast iron risotto pot. And with the paddle, nice. This gives a nice flavor. You got 1/2 cup of white cooking wine, and then you add 1/3 cup of lemon juice, and then you slowly but surely you start adding the chicken stock until all absorbed. And here is the finished product. Lemon risotto with chicken. Brown chicken and a little bit of butter. So your ingredients are your arborio rice, your cooking white wine, 4 cups of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of cooking white wine, 4 tablespoons EVOO. Toast the risotto with 2 tablespoons butter and 3 tablespoons of EVOO. After you cook the sofrito, just the EVOO with the shallots that are diced. Keep adding the chicken broth. You have to heat the chicken broth, though. That's the key, and you have to go about 1/2 cup to a cup at a time until everything's absorbed. Take about roughly, should be 15 minutes till they're all down here. When it gets like to the last stage, you use another pan and you dice up the chicken, and then you brown it in butter, and then you add it last. And they say to use about 4 tablespoons of Parmigiano Reggiano. 3 tablespoons, I use about 2. I put some lemon zest in it too to give it a little kick. I'll give you the full recipe later.